Here's a challenge problem on parallel lines and transversals in geometry. We're going to do number 36. Let's try and solve it. It doesn't look like a typical parallel lines problem in terms of the diagram itself, and we also have two variables to solve for, x and y. But we can actually use the same set of angle pair relationships we've been using to figure it out. The diagram tells you that these three lines are parallel. So what happens if we just extend the lines and also extend this line that looks like a transversal? Now, this looks a little more familiar, and it's easier to see that these are consecutive interior angles. That just means interior angles that are on the same side. And according to the angle pair rules, that means they add up to 180 degrees. We can write these angles in the form of an equation that we'll just leave here. Now, what about the two other angles? We can actually do the same thing. If we extend out the parallel lines and the transversal, doesn't this also look a lot more familiar? We can actually use the same angle pair rule where these are consecutive interior angles that add up to 180 degrees. I'm going to simplify both of these equations first. And you'll notice that this now looks like a system of equations problem that we've learned before. We can add the two equations to cancel out the y values. 5x plus 5x is 10x. Negative y plus y equals 0, it cancels out. And 30 plus 50 equals 80. Dividing both sides by 10, we'll get x equals 8, which is one of our answers. In order to calculate y, you can just plug in x equals 8 into one of these equations. You'll get y equals 10. And that is our answer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and send any problems you want me to do my way. I'll see you in the next one.